Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy Dollar Tree condiment bottle DIY. I just wanted to do this because I like the way this looks. And what you're going to need is some condiments and some condiment bottles and a couple other things like labels and things to put the bottle stuff in the bottles. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to grab your mayonnaise. I showed this first because what you have to do with the mayonnaise is you need a baggie. And with the baggie, you're going to put the mayonnaise in there. I tried this way and that didn't work when I tried to do that one by one. And then I tried to pour it out. That did not work at all. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a cup and actually put the baggie in the cup and then put it in there that way. Alright, so now that I got that in there, I'm going to cut the end of the baggie and then squirt it all into the bottle. Yes, I'm going to have extra mayonnaise, but I'm going to use it for some tuna salad. Okay, the mustard here is just self-explanatory. You just open it up and then squirt it in the bottle. Okay, the barbecue is self-explanatory too. I've already had some in here, so I'm just showing you what I did to put it in there. Alright, now for the hot sauce, you're just going to let it drip down inside of there. This took a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but yeah, you just let it drip down inside of there. Okay, for the blue cheese, what we're going to do is we're going to pour that in there. And it's going to be a little bit chunky, so make sure at the end you cut the spout a little bit wider in order to get the blue cheese chunks out. Alright, and for the Thousand Island, it's simple, you just pour that in there. Alright, so for the labels I use my Cricut, and what I use for the font, it's called Rocketo, and I really like this cursive font on the condiments. Alright, for the remainder of this video, I'm just going to be putting on the sauce labels, so just make sure you watch how I did this if you don't know how, but if you do, just go ahead and skip to the end so you can see the final result. And here's your final look. Thank thank you for watching. If you haven't already, just make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification bell if you'd like to get notifications every time I upload.